Hello, in this video, we are gonna learn how to repair a rover. So previously, in my other videos, I've talked about how to stake your rover in the mission control and how to claim your waste in the mission control and what happens when you claim your waste on the mission control. Right now, we're gonna learn how to talk about how to repair your rover. So when you claim your rover's resources on the mission control, um, it goes down a stage. So a rover has 4 different types of stage. I believe it is. Hold on. Oh, so there you go. So the 4 stages are pristine, worn, damaged, and wrecked. Wrecked meaning you cannot repair it again and you will never be able to use your rover and you have to buy a new rover. And pristine meaning it's in good condition, perfect condition. So how do we repair those rovers? So if you go to your Planet IX terminal to your game, you will be able to go here to your Y meta share thing, the green thing, and go to service point. And over here in the repair shop, you will be able to see your rovers that you have. So I have 2 rovers. And if I go to repair, I have one of my rovers that is worn. So over here you can see what rover you have that is in good condition. And if you go to repair, you'll be able to see the rovers that you need to repair. So it's a good idea that you do this, you repair your rover every time it goes down the stage so that it's always going to be in the best condition. Because also, if it's not in the best condition, it's not going to be, it's in best performance. So it's a good idea to repair it every time. So I'm just going to click on this plus button. And to repair your rover, it costs 30 Astro credits. And if you don't know how to get that, um, I'll put the video down for you guys, down the link so you guys can watch that. So just click on repair once you click on the rover. And now it's gonna take you to your MetaMask and you're just gonna have to approve it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna exit. Oh, what's happening? Just reload my page. We're gonna exit. And it's gonna take us to our mission control. And if I check on my rover, I'm gonna be able to now see that all of my rovers are in good condition. And they're in a pristine condition. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna wait for this to load. Waiting. There we go. There they go. So these are my 2 rovers, and now they're both in good condition. So if I zoom in, this one is in a pristine condition, as well as my other rover. This one is also in a, hold on. Oh my god, trying to zoom in. This one is also in a pristine condition. So right there. Yeah, they're both great. So that's it. This is it for this video. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. If you learned something and like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, like our other videos, and comment down below for more other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.